Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to derive our fifth identity, that is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Let's see. So this is our right hand side, this is our left hand side. So we'll start with our left hand side, that is a plus b whole cube. We can split it a plus b into a plus b whole square. So it is, if we multiply, then you will get a plus b to the power 3. Now see here, a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. This is already I have derived in my previous videos. The link I have given in the description box. You can check it. So now, straightforward we can write a plus b multiply. This is, we know, this identity is a square plus twice ab plus b square. Right? Now we can apply the distribution property. A with whole multiply with a square plus twice ab plus b square. Again plus b multiply with a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now we'll again apply the distribution property. A into a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square. Again you will multiply with b, the whole bracket, you will get a square b plus 2ab square plus b cube. Now you can simplify. These are the like terms, this and this are the like term, and this with this are the like term. So we have to simplify here. A cube plus 2a square b. So here is 1a square b. So 2 plus 1, that is 3a square b. Now here ab square and 2ab square. These are the two like term and both are plus. We can add 2 plus 1, 3ab square. And the last one is b cube. So this is our identities. We have derived the identities, that is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So in our next video we are going to derive identity number 6. So welcome everyone in my channel. So today we are going to derive our 6 identities, that is a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is our left hand side, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And in our left hand side, that is a minus b whole cube. So I'm going to start from left hand side. So that is a minus b whole cube. We can split it a minus b into a minus b whole square. And as you know that a minus b whole square, this is one of the identity, and it is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. This identity I have already derived in my previous video, and the link I have given in the description box. You can check it from there. Okay, but here I will write directly the identities a minus b, and the identities of a minus b is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Is it all right? Okay. Then we'll apply the distribution property as like before. A is whole multiplied with a square minus twice ab plus b square. Again, minus b is whole multiplied by a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now if we multiply with a, the whole things, then you will get a into a cube minus 2a into a square b plus a b square. Here you have to keep in mind that you are not only multiplying with b, you are multiplying with a minus b. So all the sign will be changed because you are multiplying with the sign also, right? Plus minus minus a square b minus minus plus 2a b square plus minus minus b into b square, that is b cube. Now there are some similar terms are there, we can simplify. That is a cube, this is a single term. Now see here, minus 2a square b, it is similar to minus a square b. So these are the like terms, so we can simplify. So we can write 2 and 1, that is 3 minus 3 a square b. Similarly, these and these are also like term, but they are plus. So plus 2 plus 1, 3 a b square minus b cube. So this is our identities number 6. That is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So if you have any doubt regarding these derivations, you can write in a comment box. I'll be there to help you. Or if you like the video, and also if you are new in this channel, so I just request you, please subscribe, share and like it. Thank you.